unboxing the Huawei Nova 3i. Hindi na siya technically unboxing or first use because I've been actually using this phone for like 2 weeks already. So yeah, so this is just a post um, unboxing and like my thoughts of this phone. So let's go. Okay, so now this is the Huawei Nova 3i. So here again, hindi siya unboxing na first use kasi I've already been using this phone. So here's the phone. So again, the phone has 4 AI cameras, intelligent photography. It's a 6.3 Huawei full view display 2.0 and 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM. It's actually running the through Kirin 710 with AI capability. So ito yung color niya, yung Irish purple ata yung tawag dito, yung blue and purple, kasi ito yung favorite color ko. So let's put the phone aside first and let's see what's in the box. So here yung SIM ejector, may libre actually siyang screen protector but I did not use that. Warranty manual, soft case, okay. The charger, it's rated, I believe, siguro normal lang to 2.0 something. USB, micro USB, the USB charger, and the headset and warranty card. Now let's talk about the phone. So again, 6.3-inch full view display, 19 by 9. So yeah, parang whole screen yata at may notch siya. Dual cam yan. So it has dual camera as well at the rear back, power button, volume up and down. So yeah, so actually again, I was just disappointed kasi micro USB pa din siya, speaker, and 3.5mm jack. So I've been actually, like I said, I've been using this phone for like 2 weeks already, and that is actually hindi sluggish in some way na yung camera actually yung nirereklamo ko dito. Kasi if you're going to look at these photos, camera, so ito yung sa gabi, tignan nyo to, the flash parang ang pangit niya tignan. And by the way, I'm actually shooting this on my Vivo V5s, so that's like a 2-year-old phone. So kaya ito talaga yung nireklamo ko, bakit ganito yung ano niya, ang picture niya. So pag flash, pero pag morning okay naman siya, may AI assist, tapos yun nga yung parang may tawag niya, may parang yung sa Android ay sa iPhone na ganyan. So yun yung ano, then gumagana naman yung parang blur effect niya, pero I think it's a hit and miss then. Hindi, again, it's just 15,990, but ang kinuha ko siya through home credit. So yung thoughts lang, siguro out of 10 yung phone na to is nasa 8.5. It's not that perfect but it's actually really good. So kaya yun, at ang audio niya hindi siya masyadong malakas, hindi ko alam kung bakit. So let's ito yung pinakamalakas, parang siyang bungol or parang hindi mo talaga siya marinig masyado. So yeah, and yeah, I guess that's it. Hindi naman siya technically, hindi naman talaga ako tech vlogger, but then it was just my thought on the new phone that I got. I just love technology, so I have to like try to um, show you on how like a normal person use or normal person's point of view of this Nova phone. But then again, ang pinakagusto ko talaga dito is yung color. Ang fingerprint scanner niya is napaka ano niya naman, accurate. And face unlock is also very very accurate. So it's actually so fast as well. Like it's unlocked. Okay. Also my fingerprint. So yeah, so again, this is just a hands-on and final thoughts and unboxing for this a Huawei Nova 3i. Bye bye.